How to launch a successful YouTube channel for your business. So you're thinking about using YouTube for your business, aren't you? It's a wise move given that 300 hours of video are uploaded to the platform every single minute, making it an excellent way to strengthen and grow your business. YouTube channels allow you to gain online exposure and share your content with the rest of the world. A website which can serve as a hub for your content as well as provide more information about you and your business is an important complement to a YouTube channel. Hey guys, hello and welcome back to our channel. We'll go over how to start a business channel on YouTube. But first, subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss another video from us. So let's get this ball rolling. To assist you in this process, we've provided a breakdown of some fundamentals for getting your YouTube business channel up and running, as well as instructions for creating a website to accompany your channel. Now is the time to put on your director's hat. Here are the steps to creating a YouTube channel. 1. Start with the basics. The first thing you'll need to do is create your business channel, which YouTube makes incredibly simple. With just a few clicks, you'll be ready to start building your new channel. Here's how to get started with a YouTube channel. 1. Sign into YouTube and then click the user icon in the upper right corner of the screen. 2. To access your account's YouTube settings, click the gear icon. 3. Click on the Create a New Channel button. 4. Then select Use a Company or Other Name. 5. Enter your brand name and click the Create button. If you don't already have a name, you can make one up using a YouTube name generator. 2. Strengthen your online presence. After you've completed the basic setup of your YouTube channel, you'll want to ensure that you have a complete web presence to go along with it. When viewers discover your channel, they'll most likely want to learn more about you and will look for your website as well as your presence on other social media platforms. You should have a website up and running to ensure these viewers find what they're looking for. You can either create one using designer-made templates, or if you already have one, consider redoing it to match the style of your new YouTube channel. You can then proceed to create or redesign your page on other social media platforms. 3. Complete the About section. After you've established your complementary web presence, you might be wondering how to ensure that you've launched a YouTube channel that draws attention to your brand and attracts new viewers. Fill out your profile and channel description to get started. After you've created a channel, this is the first option you'll see. In this section, you should describe your brand and what viewers can expect to see on your channel. This is also a good place to include links to your website and other social media networks. This description will appear in multiple locations on your channel, so put your best foot forward when filling it out. 4. Channel your art. When you visit a YouTube channel, you'll be greeted by a large banner with a channel name. This is your cover photo and it serves as prime real estate for introducing your brand. You can make your cover photo as elaborate or as simple as you want, but make sure that your brand is the focal point, as it'll be the first impression someone gets when they enter. Fortunately, there are a wide range of tools available to help you get started. Please keep in mind that YouTube recommends uploading your cover photo at a resolution of 2560 by 1440 with a maximum file size of 4 MB. You can also learn how to create a YouTube logo that'll appear on your banner and represent your brand. 5. Understand your market and the type of content you're creating. Because you're starting a YouTube channel for your own company, you should have plenty of source material to work with, and you can approach your video content in a variety of ways. If you have a complex product and want to empower your customers to learn more about it, video tutorials could be a good option. If you want to show off positive feedback from your customers, testimonials could be a good way to go. Better yet, do both. As a result, your channel will have a wide range of content to consume, which will appeal to a wide range of viewers. Remember to create content that's aimed at your business target demographic as you learn how to become a YouTuber. This is an effective inbound YouTube marketing technique for attracting customers to your brand. The more you cater to your target market, the more likely they are to inquire about your business services. 6. Lighting, camera, and trailer. Your YouTube channel trailer, like your channel art, should be created. Channel trailers are typically short and sweet, and they serve as an excellent introduction for new viewers. You can tell your audience who you are, what your business is about, and what kind of content they can expect in the future. Creating your channel trailer will also serve as good practice for your first video. 7. Upload your first official YouTube video. You've probably done a fair amount of research on your first video by this point, and if you already have your channel trailer under your belt, you've had some practice as well. It's now time to take action and say, action! It's time to upload a YouTube video after you've finished filming and editing. Because YouTube is based on video uploads, you'll find the upload option at the top right of the screen when you log in. But you're not done yet. 8. Keep your consistency. Don't expect to be successful if you create a YouTube channel, upload one video, and then abandon it. It takes time and effort to build a successful YouTube channel, and viewers expect consistency from the channels to which they subscribe. After your first video, make a plan for the next few videos. Unsure whether you'll have time to film a video every week or every other week? It's not a problem. Take a day out of your schedule to shoot multiple videos that you'll release on your own timetable. One of the most important ways to increase your YouTube subscribers and views is to be consistent. 9. Participate in your community. Without viewers actively viewing and engaging with video content created by businesses like yours, YouTube would not be what it is today. Engaging in return is a good way to gain the trust of your audience. This is especially important if you intend to monetize your popularity on YouTube. Engaging with your viewers is a critical step in developing a community around your channel. Respond to comments, ask and answer questions, and most importantly, listen to what others have to say. Remember that your viewers want to watch your content, so give them what they want. With a well-managed community, you'll almost certainly get some free word-of-mouth advertising as well. 10. Analyze, improve, and repeat. Even the best can improve. Once you've established a foothold on your channel, it's time to get a bird's-eye view of how it's doing. YouTube Analytics will assist you along the way and point you in the right direction to optimize your videos in the future. Analytics is a useful YouTube feature that provides information about who's watching your videos, allowing you to narrow down your target demographic even further. It'll also give you a better understanding of why one video performed better than another. It's a potent tool for your booming channel. How a YouTube channel can benefit your business. Even if you aren't currently using video to promote your business, YouTube is ideal for quick, low-cost video hosting for your website. Here's why that's significant. Video files are typically very large and consume a significant amount of bandwidth and server resources. Standard web servers don't support video files. You can host videos on your web server, but the playback will most likely be choppy and pixelated if it plays at all. The solution is to upload your videos to your YouTube channel and then stream them from there to your website. The videos will appear to be playing on your website, but YouTube is doing the heavy lifting. By hosting your videos on YouTube, you can use the high-powered, sophisticated video server technology for smooth and reliable video playback. In addition, YouTube will properly encode your video so that it'll play on all devices and screen sizes. According to Cisco, video accounted for 73% of website traffic in 2016. They predict that by 2022, that figure will have risen to 82%. Video hardware and software advancements are making video production faster, easier, and less expensive. So, if you aren't already using video in your sales and marketing, you should consider doing so in the near future. At the very least, you now understand how to quickly create a YouTube channel for your business. And that's all we've got for today. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. If you enjoyed it, please share it with others and subscribe to our channel so that you can see more great videos like this in the future. Until next time, everyone.